ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। कारके
कारके
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
Just a minute. पराजे रसोडः वारणार्थानां ईप्सितः अन्तर्धो येना दर्शनमिच्छति
दर्शनमिच्छति
आख्यातोपयोगे जनीकर्तुः प्रकृतिः भुवः प्रभवः कर्मणा यमविप्रैति स सम्प्रदानम् रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः श्लाघन्नुं स्थाशपां नीप्स्यमानः दारे रुत्तबर्णः स्पृहेरीप्सितः क्रुधदुहेर्ष्यासूयार्थानां यं प्रति कोपः क्रुधद्रुहोरुपसृष्टयो कर्म रादिक्ष्योर्यस्य विप्रश्नः
राधिभ्योऽस्य विष्णः
कृष्णः
प्रत्यङ्भ्यां शिवः पूर्वस्य कर्ता
प्रत्यङ्ग्यां
पूर्वस्य कर्ता
अनुप्रतिगृणश्च
अनुप्रतिगृह्णश्च
साधकतमं करणं
साधकतमं करणं
दिवःकर्म च
दिवःकर्म च
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानम् अन्यतरस्याम्
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानम् अन्यतरस्याम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
अधीशींस्थासां कर्म
अधीशींस्तासां कर्म
अभिनिविशश्च
अभिनिविशश्च
उपान्वद्भ्याङ्गसः
उपान्वद्भ्याङ्गसः
उपान्वसः
कर्तुरीप्सितमं कर्म
कर्तुरीप्सितमं कर्म
ईप्सिततमं कर्म तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम्
तथा युक्तं चानिप्सितम्
अकथितं च
अकथितं च
अकर्मधातुभिर्योगे देहकालो भावो गन्तव्योऽध्वा च कर्म इति वाच्यम्
कर्मधातुभिर्योगे देशकालो भावो गन्तव्योऽध्वा च कर्म इति वाच्यम्
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थशब्दकर्मा कर्मकानाम् अणिकर्तासनौ
कर्मकानाम्
हृक्रोरण्यतरस्याम् अभिवादिदुषोरात्मने पदे वेति वाच्यम् स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च अभ्यासः 12.15 right? Yes, must be here only. Okay. एतेषु वाक्येषु कर्मणः योग्यां विभक्तिं योजयत कृत् प्रत्ययस्य अर्थः तत्रैव लिखितः अस्ति महेशः डैश कथयिता so what is the answer महेशः डैश कथयिता महेशः कथयिता इस एतेषु वाक्येषु कर्मणः योग्यां विभक्तिं योजयत कृत् प्रत्ययः अर्थः तत्रैव लिखितः अस्ति कर्तरि कृत् तवतु प्रत्यय त्रिच् प्रत्यय न तवतु त्रिच् प्रत्यय अस्ति कथयिता तो कथायाः कथयिता षष्ठी विभक्ति वै षष्ठी कर्तकर्मणो षष्ठी कल विषय कृत योगे षष्ठी कर्तकर्मणो षष्ठी उमेशेन डैश स्मरण विषयः भावे उमेशेः
विषयस्य षष्ठी
विषयस्य
उमेशेन विषयस्य स्मरणं यह भावे have you seen भावे यार षष्ठी भक्ति yes केषाञ्चित् कृदन्तानां योगे अनभिहिते कर्तरि कर्मणि च षष्ठी भक्ति इति पूर्वमुक्तम् then Yes. Krit Kritya Pratyayanaam yoge prayoge kartuhu. Kritya Kritya Pratyaha Krit Pratyashu eva antarbhavati. What is the Smaranam? Smaranam is Bhave. Bhave lut. So therefore it is lut Pratyaya. Bhaktena Adbhaktasya Devasya Namanam. Ubhaya Anabhigitatve Kartuhu Vikalpena Shashti Karmanaha Nityam Shashti Bhavati. Ubhaya Prapto Karmani. So karta is optionally shashti. Kintu striyam tin, that's different. Adhigare patitaha pratyaya sadantayoke kartuhu shashti eva bhavati. As we saw that before. Now here, meshena smaranam. So smridhatoho bhave eva uktaha asti. Therefore vishayasya smaranam. Okay. So here also kartuhu vikalpena shashti. Umeshasya also possible. Right? Ube prapto kartuhu vikalpena shashti karmanaha shashti bhavati eva. So Vishayasya Smaranam, that's correct. Umeshena or Umeshasya. It's not given, I'm just saying. Kridaluhu dash kshepta kartari trich karma is kandukam.
So kandukasya nityam षष्ठी nityam.
Nityam shashti. So Kridaluhu kandukasya kshepta. So kshibdatohu trich. Okay, Kridaluhu or here also shashti bhakti can be possible. But anyway. And another thing is, Kshibdhatu is to throw. Is it Sakarmaka dhatu or Akarmaka dhatu?
Kandukam karma is.
It is Sakarmaka dhatu.
Kandukam is
What do you say? Huh?
Kandukam object karma is there, no?
If object is there, for example, if we give another example, like what? Asitasya or asanasya mukham, something like that. The website is given Kshibdhatu, Sakarmaka dhatu. Why I'm saying is, if it is Akarmaka dhatu, then okay, we have to take it as Sakarma. I have to check dhatu ko dhatu kusmakara. 10th conjugation Kshib dhatu is Anit dhatu. Other conjugation in the meaning, it's given in the meaning of prerane. All are prerane only. They are given Sakarmaka dhatu.
10th gana it is Sakarmaka.
Akarmaka, 10th conjugation. Because ta pratyaya denote karta. So that is why, like Ramaha Gataha, valid. Kridaluhu Kshepta. So Kridaluhu Kshepta. Why not Ksheptavan? That's why I said it is Akarmaka dhatu. Sorry, but anyway, it's not required because this is not a ta pratyaya, Kshamita. This is the trich pratyaya. Therefore, it is okay. Yeah. Therefore, it's okay, fine. Anyway, क्रीडालुगु क्षेप्ता. So, कन्दुकस्य क्षेप्ता. कर्तृकर्मणोः षष्ठी and उभय प्राप्तो कर्मणि by कन्दुकस्य क्षेप्ता or क्रीडालोः कन्दुकस्य क्षेप्ता also possible. Sometimes trich pratyaya and ta pratyaya little looks same, right? But anyway, depends on the karta. If karta is pullinga, kridalugu, the kshepta is pullinga. Okay, no problem.
And
Fine.
it is given as kartari.
Kartari trich is helping what the trich pratyaya is used, what the krit pratyaya is used. Fine. Yanam gatihi bhave. This is simple.
Yanasya.
So gatihi is bhave striyam tin pratyaya.
Tin.
Therefore, yanasya gatihi. Rama dash naika. Nul pratyaya.
Chhatranam bahuvachanam.
Chhatranam naika. Nul trachau. Gargi dash drashtri. Strilinga. Drashtri.
One more
Then
is
pratyaya
Then
drashti.
is
61.
previous one.
Oh,
Dhanam.
sorry. Dash praptihi. Dhanam.
Dhanasya.
Dhanasya praptihi.
This also bhavik
Tin.
thin. Gargi dash drashtri.
Atmanah.
Atmanah.
Drashtri. Rameshah dash pustakam lekhakah. Nul.
Pustakasya.
Pustakasya lekha.
By the sutra, kartarkarmanoha kriti.
Kartakarmanoh.
Or just we can say krid yoge shashti. Shishuna dash kshiram panam. The karmani.
Kshirasya.
Shirasya bhavanam.
Kshirasya panam. Why gives karmani there? Karmani prayogaha, maybe.
Shishuna.
Because
Shishuna.
Tritya
Shishuna is if it is karmani prayogaha, is it karmani prayoga? Yeah, I think the prayoga only is given within bracket.
Oh, yes.
Not what prayoga, that is what given in the bracket. Okay. Dash jagat stitihi bhave.
Jagataha.
Jagataha stitihi. This is also sta plus tin pratyaya. Eteshu vakyeshu kartuhu yogyam vibhaktim yojayata. Kritya pratyayantaha shabdaha eteshu vakyeshu vartante. Aham dash aham jagadditam karaniyam.
Maya.
Maya.
Mama. Both.
Tritiya by karta taking tritiya.
Karmani. Yoga.
Kartakarnayos tritiya. Right? Maya jagaditam karaniyam. Kartakarmanos tritiya. Jagaditam jagataha hitam jagaditam. That is the karma of a karaniyam. And kritya pratyaya. So kritya pratyaya will denote karma only. Saha karaniyam.
Ten.
Tena
Tena
karaniyam.
tasya.
Same.
Tasya.
Kartakarnayos tritiya. What is the number kartakarnayos tritiya? Kartakarnayos tritiya is 1, 4. Sorry, 2, 3. Kshamita. 2, 3.
3.
18.
18.
8
Yeah.
also.
18.
2, 3, 18.
18. Yes.
1,
Yes.
8.
Dash lata nagaram gantavyam.
Taya latayaha.
So gantavyam what pratyaya?
Tavyat.
Tavyat.
Tavyat pratyaya. So Lataya Nagaram Gantavyam. I think this is the example given just Karaniyam Krityoge Kartari Shashti Vasya Kritya Pratyayanam Yoge Kartari Shashti Va Bhavati. Otherwise Tritiya Vibhaktihi. Okay. That's important thing to be noted. Yeah, Lataya Nagaram Gantavyam, Latayaha Nagaram Gantavyam. But meaning will change. Meaning will change. Nagaram belongs to Lata. Sambandha Shashti. Saha Karaniyam. Tasya Karaniyam means written by him. Maya Jagaditam or Mama Jagaditam Karaniyam. Meaning will change. Sentence is valid. Chatra Pustakam Pataniyam. Then Chatrena Pustakam Pataniyam.
Chatraya Strilinga. So
Yeah, okay.
Chatraya.
Shrilinga Chatra. So Chatrayaha Pustakam Pataniyam or Chatraya Pustakam Pataniyam. So it can be Shashti or it can be Tritiya.
Tritiya.
That's what he. Yes. So Shashti is optional. Kritya Pratyayanam Yoge Kartu Shashti Va Bhavati. I think that is by Vartikam. Right?
Krityanam Kartari Va 2-3 sentences.
Yeah. It's Vartikam, right? Vartikam is given. Yes. Where did you read? From where you read this? Krityana.
That is in Karma Karaka. They are given it as in Karma Karaka.
In which file? My file?
2-3-71. Krityanam.
The book.
Krityana.
Kartariva.
In which file? In my file is there?
No, from the book I am reading.
The book only, yeah. Karma Karaka. 195 page.
No, in your book it is different. Kritya Pratyayanam Prayoge Kartuhu Va.
Yeah, that's what it is. Kritya Pratyayaha Krit Pratyashya Antarbhavati Kritya Pratyayanam Yoge Kartari. Oh, this is what 2-3-72. Yes. This must have been there in the table also. Krityanam Kartariva. 2-3-71, I think last but one sutra, the last sutra is to 2-3-72 one. Yeah. Krityanam Kartariva. That is a place where all this comes. So Krityana Prayoge Kartari Vikalpena Shashti Vibhakti Bhavati. If it is Shashti Vibhakti, then becomes Sambandha Shashti. Otherwise Kartuku Shashti. Kartari Shashti. Meaning will change. Important. Okay, next one. Saha Graham Kretavyam. Tena Graham Kretavyam. Graham should be bought. Should be bought by him. Or Tasya Graham Kretavyam, the meaning would be
he bought his house.
His house should be bought. Tasya Graham means Graham belongs to him. That should be bought. Meaning changes. Mata Pushpani Chetavyani.
Matra
Matuhu. Shashti is
Matuhu. Yeah. Karyalayaha Gantavyaha.
Pitra Pituhu.
Yes, Pituhu. Vidyarthi Shala Gantavya.
Vidyarthina
Or Vidyarthinaha Shala. Meaning changes. Uttama Karyani Kartavyani.
Sarvaihi or Sarvesham Uttama Karyani Kartavyam.
Jignasahu Prashnaha Prashtavyaha.
Jignasuna or Jignasoho.
Jignasoho.
Yes. प्रश्नाः प्रष्टव्याः स्मर्तव्यांशाः कारकसंज्ञाम् अवलम्ब्य या विभक्तिः प्रवर्तते सा कारकविभक्तिः प्रातिपदिकार्थे प्रथमा कर्तरि प्रयोगः कर्तुः प्रथमा विभक्तिः कर्मणः द्वितीया विभक्तिः कर्मणि प्रयोगः कर्तुः तृतीया विभक्तिः कर्मणः प्रथमा विभक्तिः भावे प्रयोगः कर्तुः तृतीया विभक्तिः प्रायः कर्म न भवति. Why say प्रायः? Because अकर्मक धातूनामपि along with some prepositions karma bhavati. We have seen, right? Like what? Adi, shing, stas, no, yeah. Upan, vad, padhyang, vasaha, mansutra, with upasarga, upanu, etc. You know, that vasdhatu becomes sakarmaka. Similarly, other one with adi upasarga.
Stad.
What is the sutra? Adi, shing, stasam. Yeah, sasam karma. Adi purvaka, adi vasati, ramaha, vanam adhivasati, for example. So, vasdhatu is akarmaka dhatu, adipurvaka vasdhatu sakarmaka. So, possible. That is why prayaha karmana bhavati. Kartrakarakam pratama tritiya shashti iti vibhakti trayam bhavati pratama vibhakti pratipadikarte. Then kartrate tritiya kridyoge shashti. Karmakarakam प्रथमा तृतीया षष्ठी चतुर्थी इति चतस्रः विभक्तयः भवन्ति. प्रातिपदिकार्थे प्रथमा, कर्मार्थे द्वितीया, कृद्योगे षष्ठी. देन गत्यर्थकानां धातूनां प्रयोगे वा चतुर्थी. व्हाट इज इट? गत्यर्थकानां धातूनां प्रयोगे, रिमेंबर? गत्यर्थकानां धातूनां प्रयोगे चतुर्थी विभक्तिः भवति. ग्रामाय, ग्रामं ग्रामाय. An example we saw,
Yeah.
right?
Yes,
Gramam gramaya gacchati. So gramam gacchati or gramaya gacchati also we can say. I think in our book also must be there, right? Sorry, in our table. You can check that.
2, 3, 12.
2, 3, 12. Yeah. Now what is the number table? Table, remember? 2, 3, 12. Yeah. Gatyartha karmani dvitiya chaturthyo cheshtayam anadvani. I think in our table it must be under chaturthi vibhakti.
Yeah.
I think it must be under chaturthi vibhakti.
Chaturthi Sampradani 2, 3, 13 is there.
Yeah, under Chaturthi Bhakti, I think I would have given this, I think. Yeah. Okay, anyway, you can check the table. All Dvitiya Bhakti can be put in one place. So, instead of this being there, but no, I have to change the whole thing.
It is 80.
80?
80, 80, I think so.
88.
80, 80.
80.
80.
80, okay. Yeah. So that's why it's difficult to sometimes locate this. So it is under Chaturthi Upapada Vibhakti. Because Chaturthi Va Bhavati. So again, the same thing should be copied in Dvitiya also. Anyway, it's okay. The object of dhatu implying motion, the object doesn't express a root, that is important. Gatyartha akarmani. Gatyartha karmani anadvani. Cheshtayam anadvani. Titiya chaturthi. Chaturthyav. If the object do not express a root, is put in the accusative or dative case. Gramam gramayava gacchati. Manasa harim vrajati. This Manasa harim vrajati is Here, but when there is no actual motion, then it is Dvitiya only. That's also important. I think this is not given in the book, but it's can be noted. गत्यर्थकानां धातूनां प्रयोगे कर्मणः विकल्पेन चतुर्थी विभक्तिः भवति. बालकः ग्रामं ग्रामाय गच्छति, सिंहः अरण्यम् अरण्याय गच्छति. But he has not given, number one, that it should not, cover the marga, the object should not be a road. Second thing is, only when there is real motion, then only this Chaturthi, Dvitiya Chaturthi.
Rajati, it's what actually.
Huh?
What is the difference between Rajati and why it is not Gatyartaka? Like actual motion is not.
Why it is not the same? Gatyartaka dhatu only, Vraja also.
But actual motion is not there, no? So how we can tell? Manasa.
No, where it is not there?
Oh, we are telling, no? Now if
When there is no actual motion, then it will take Dvitiya only. Only when there is actual motion, real motion, then Chaturthi can come optionally. Dvitiya, of course, will come. Chaturthi also can come. Condition is, then the object should not be a road, panthanam or margam. The object should not express the marga, the pantha. Saha panthanam gacchati. Now suppose here saha panthanam gacchati. So here we cannot make this panthanam into Chaturthi Bhakti. Not possible. What is the Chaturthi Bhakti of panthanam? Panthanam is Dvitiya.
Path.
Right?
Path, it is a...
Yeah, what is a Chaturthi Bhakti? Patin Shabda. How do you define? Pantha, panthano, panthanaha. Panthanam, panthano. Pantha, panthano, panthanaha. Panthanam, panthano. Pataha. Pataha. Patha, padbhyam. Sorry, patha, patibhyam. Patibihi. Pathe. Pathe will not come here. So it's a counter-example this is. Because panthanam, advanam or margam, when the object is a road, then it will be only Dvitiya. And here, Manasa Pataliputram Rajati. Manasa Rajati. Real motion. Rajati Gatyartaka dhatu. Fine.
Okay.
But Manasa Rajati Gachati, whatever it is. So here it has to be Dvitiya only. That is why. But when there is no actual motion, then Dvitiya Bhakti only. Okay.
Yes.
Then starts Upapada Vibhakti. But before that, here, from Samskrita Bharati, I think we are reading some. Okay. Samskrita Bharati arrangement is different. He has given all together. When he discusses Dvitiya, then Dvitiya Bhakti, Karaka Bhakti, followed by Upapada Bhakti. The arrangement is like that. But anyway, both of them more or less, they talk this in the same way. If you want, we can read. You can read. Now, let us do from Upapada Bhakti. So, having discussed Karaka, now Upapada. Upa Samipe, Vartamanam Padam, Padaha, sorry, Padam, Upapada Vibhakti. Samipe Vartamana Padena, Ya Vibhakti Bhavati, Upapada Vibhakti. Has given Keshanchit Padanam Yoga Matrena, Pravartamana Vibhakti, Upapada Vibhakti. एतानि वाक्यानि पश्यन्तु आम्लजनकं विना प्राणिनः न जीवन्ति आम्लजनकेन विना प्राणिनः न जीवन्ति आम्लजनकात् विना प्राणिनः न जीवन्ति. So vina can govern all the vibhaktis. All the vibhaktis means dvitiya, tritiya as well as panchami.
Panchami.
Panchami also. What is amla janaka?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Yes.
So amla janakam vina janakena vina janakat vina. कः भेदः एतेषु त्रिषु वाक्येषु वर्तते त्रयाणां वाक्यानामपि अर्थः समानः चेदपि प्रथमवाक्ये आम्लजनकशब्दात् द्वितीया विभक्तिः द्वितीयवाक्ये तृतीया विभक्ति तृतीयवाक्ये पञ्चमी च दृश्यते. एताः विभक्तयः न कारकसंज्ञां पुरस्कृत्य प्रवृत्ताः किन्तु विना शब्दस्य योगमात्रेण एव एताः विभक्तयः कृताः. एतादृश्यः विभक्तयः उपपदविभक्ति इति कथ्यन्ते. केषाञ्चित् पदानां योगमात्रेण प्रवर्तमाना विभक्तिः उपपदविभक्तिः. These are three types actually. उपपदविभक्तिः. इत्थं विभक्तिः द्विधा कारकविभक्तिः उपपदविभक्तिः. उपपदविभक्तिः त्रिधा स्यात्. I think in this way I think he has not covered Samskrita Bharati. पदान्तरात् केषाञ्चित् पदानां योगमात्रेण अन्यस्मात् पदात् प्रवर्तमाना विभक्तिः. This is what generally we see upapada vibhakti. Because of one word, another word will take some vibhakti. अन्यस्मात् पदात् प्रवर्तमाना विभक्तिः. तद्यथा गुडं परितः पिपीलिकाः सन्ति. Paritah is therefore gudam, another word. So padanam, keshanchit padanam yoga matra anyasya padat. So gudam will take dvitiya. Atra paritah iti padasya yogat gudat dvitiya vivaktihi. Next one, this is padantarat. Padantarat is anya padat. Padantarat is anya padat. Mayura vemsakadi samasa. This is pariganita padat. केषाञ्चित् पदानां प्रयोगे तेभ्यः एव जायमाना विभक्तिः भवति. लैक् गृहस्य दूरं विद्यालयः. अत्र दूरशब्दस्य एव द्वितीया विभक्तिः न तु तस्य पदस्य योगात् अन्यस्मात् द्वितीया विभक्तिः. Therefore तेभ्यः एव जायमाना विभक्तिः केषाञ्चित् पदानां प्रयोगे. So Dura Shabda will take Dvitiya Vibhakti. Here Duram we cannot take it to be adverbial. He's talking about the distance. School is far away from the house. It cannot be adverbial. So it's very clear. So when this word is used, then it has to be Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Which is the Upapada?
Sorry?
Which one is Upapada here?
There is no Upapada. That's what I'm saying. There's no explicitly any pada being present. Pariganita padat. Some of the words are pariganita, duram, and some more words are there. So those words in use.
Pariganita.
Pariganita means enumerated. Enumerated.
Okay.
Listed. Keshanchit padanam prayoge tebhyaha eva jayamana vibhakti. Tebhyaha means kebhyaha padebhyaha eva. That padana alone will take certain vibhaktis. Duram is one thing. Durena also is there sometimes. Duram, Durena, Durat. Three. I think three we saw. In the table it is there.
Yeah.
What Sutram? Duram, Durena. In 2-3 section we have Dvitiya and all other. Yeah. Dura, the word is used. दूरान्तिकार्तेभ्यः द्वितीया च. Then दूरान्तिकार्तेभ्यः coming as anuvritti. Saptami adhikarane. Then Tritiya, I think, coming as anuvritti here. Duranti, this is Tritiya, goes as anuvritti up to, okay, this is Tritiya 35. Yeah, 35 comes as anuvritti. Tritiya also. So Duram, Durena, Dure, all these things are possible. Panchami, yes, Panchami also. Durat. This is called Pariganita Pada. Some words which are enumerated can will get certain vibhakti. But in the meaning, what is given here? Duranti, Durantika Artebhyaha Dvitiya, Durantika Artebhyaha Saptami. And I think all these examples we have seen. So this is second type of Upapada Vibhakti. Third one is again, there also, we don't have Upapadam explicitly. Artha Visheshe Jayamana Vibhakti. Tadyata Adyayena Jnanam Vardate. So here, Adhyayanam Jnanasya Vardhane Hetu Arte Titiya, we can say. See, Etau Tritiya. Similarly, Etau Panchami. All those things. Artha Visheshe. Iti Uktatvat Hetubhutasya Adhyayanasya Tritiya Vivaktihi Bhavati. Artha Visheshe. Suppose Saptami also we can say. Sati Saptami. All those things will come under Artha Visheshe. Yasya Bhavecha Bhava Lakshanam. That's what Saptami is. Sati Saptami. Shashti cha Anadare. Satashashti. But another in the meaning of disregarding. Satashashti it is. So all these are Artha Vishesha. Itasya Nirdharanam. Nirdharana Shashti. So Artha Vishesha. Artha Vishesha Jayamana Vivaktihi. So Nirdharana Shashti, which is there in the 10th chapter of the Gita. So what Shashti it is? We cannot give Sheshe Shashti. There it is Nirdharana Shashti. So all those Artha Vishesha. He has given only one example. But we can give many. I think he himself will tell. So therefore, three types: Padantarat, Anya Padena, Pariganita Padat, where certain words, certain vibhaktis are used. Then Artha Visheshe, in the meaning. There is some specific meaning. Because of specific meaning, certain vibhaktis are used. Now, Dvitiya Vibhaktihi. Etesham Yoge, Dvitiya Vibhaktihi Bhavati. Kesham, given some Etesham Padanam Artaha, Pakkikayam Vartate, is given within bracket. Antarena Vina. Antarena is Antarena Vina, same meaning. Varjigitva. Footnote 25-26. Antarante Arena Yukte 234. Pratak Vina Nana Vihitratiya Anyatarasya. I think all these things we have covered in the table, it is there. So Antarena Vina Ubayataha Abhitaha Sarvataha Paritaha. Then Dik Prati Arabhya Pratak Etesham Yoge Yutiya Vibhaktihi. Amlajanakam Antarena Vina Jivitum na shakyate. Amlajanakam Varjigitva Jivitum na shakyate ityartaha. I think it's simple, we can follow. Jalam Antarena Arvina Minaha na Jivanti. Margam Ubayataha Vitaha Kshaha Santi. Nadim Ubayataha Vitaha Brahmaha Santi. All examples that we have done in Anton. Here also in our table it is there. The sutram, what is the sutram for that? Dvitiya Vibhaktihi. Vina Pratak Nana Bihit Dvitiya Anyatarasyam. The sutram we just now we saw. उपपद विभक्ति ही पृथक नाना पृथक विना नाना भी तृतीय अन्यतरस्याम 2 332 the word पृथक नाना and vina govern second third or fifth case रामेण रामं रामेण रामात् विना वा दशरथः न जीवति सूत्र 2 332 okay then गुणं सर्वतः परितः पिपीलिकाः सन्ति गृहं सर्वतः परितः वृतिः वर्तते दिक् अनृतवादिनं दिक् अधर्मिणं बुभुक्षितं प्रति न किंचित भाति प्रति the word is used therefore बुभुक्षिता taking द्वितीया रमेशस्य नगरं प्रति आगमनम् अस्ति सोमवारम् आरभ्य परीक्षा वर्तते रामं कृष्णः पृथक् Rama is different from Krishna. Ramat Krishnaha भिन्नः अस्ति आम्रवृक्षं परसवृक्षः पृथक् अन्यः इत्यर्थे प्रयुज्यते उभ सर्वतसोः कार्या दिक् पर्यादिषु त्रिषु I think all we have seen आरभ्य इति क्रियापेक्षया कर्मत्वस्य विवक्षायाम् आरभ्य इति योगे द्वितीया भवति बालबलरमा सिद्धान्तकवली सूत्र संख्या
Arabia is lep, sir.
Sorry?
No, no.
Lep.
Lep only. Okay.
And
And these are all the avyayas only, these words.
Which one?
These vina, prati,
All are Arabia,
arabhya.
yes.
Okay.
All Arabia. What is the dhatu Arabia?
Purvaka. Rabdhatu.
Apurvaka dhatu is we say dhatu arambhamana we say, right? Sometimes num comes. When does it num come? Dhatu is rab dhatu. Apurvaka rab dhatu, then lep pratyaya. Apurvaka rab dhatu.
Rambha is dhatu.
One sutra is there in 7.1 section where under specific condition rab dhatu will take num also. Like it's not required here, just something my mind connects. Remember something. 7.158. That famous num section which we are much thorough. We have seen that. Radi Javorachi. Not that one, sorry. Shamita. Rabe he Ashab Litoho 63. You see? 7.163. I think this in some context we saw. That is Rabdhatu and Rabe he Ash. Shab Litoho. Ashab Litoho. Not Shab, not Lit. Rabdhatu. So whenever Ajadi Pratyaya follows, then it says Num will come. Like in the case of, in the case of the other Lakaras and all, even if you take Rabdhatu Latlakara, what is the form?
Rabate.
Okay, because why it doesn't come? Because the Shap comes. That's why when Shap doesn't follow, Shap Lito or Lit also should not be. When Shap follows, then no Nuvagama. Similarly in the Lit Lakara also. Whereas when other pratyas follow, other than Shap and Lit, then Num will come when followed by Ach. So maybe some examples here to give. In the case of some Krit pratyas, suppose if it takes Ittagama, then Numakama will come. Anyway. Dhatu is Rab Dhatu only. Yes. Apuraka Rab Dhatu. It is Yep. Arabhya. Then Pariganita Padat. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Durartakasya Antikartasya cha Prayoge Tebhyaha eva. Tebhyaha means that they alone will get Dvitiya. So Durantikartebhya, that is Sutra. That's the we saw, that is Durantikartebhya Dvitiya Anyatarasya. Tritiya cha. Not Anyatarasya. Anyatarasya for other Tritiya and all. Durantikartebhya Dura Antika Artebhya Dvitiya cha. So other words also can come, not the same, because durartakasya, not just dura, any other word, paryaya shabda also can come. Grigasya duram vidyalayaha vartate. Gramasya duram nadi asti. So duram will take, it is used in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Grasya antikam nikatam samipam apanam asti. Here the relationship between Graha and Apana is shown. Whether both are close or near, both are close or far. So then therefore Upapadam comes. And Upapadam, what vibhakti it will take? Titiya. Rakshasya antikam nikatam samipam balaha kridati. Right? That Raksha and Bala are not directly connected. Their nearness is indicated by the Upapada, and that will take Titiya Vibhakti. Then Artha Visheshe. Kalavachakasya Marga Parimana Vachakasya cha Gunena Kriya Dravyena cha Nirantara Sanyoge Kalavachakat Marga Parimana Vachakat cha Dvitiya. This also we saw by the sutra. This is when an action is complete. Atyanta Sanyoge, right?
Sanyoge.
Kala Dunoho Atyanta Sanyoge. So Nirantara Sanyoge, unbroken continuity. Kala Vachakat, Marga Vachakat, Marga Parimana Vachakat cha. But is the action completed? No. The action is completed, then it must be in what vibhakti? Tritiya vibhakti. Saptaha madite adhyanam kriya tasya kalena nirantara sanyoga vartate tasma dvitiya vibhaktihi. Do you remember we have seen, if the action is completed in that span of time, then it will take Tritiya vibhaktihi.
Saptahena adhite will come.
Yeah, masena adhite saptahena. But here it is for the whole period of time or the distance, there is atyanta sanyoga. And the action is completed. Suppose masena Vyakaranam Adhitam means he has studied Vyakaranam in just a month. That's all the difference is. I think this we have covered in our file. It must be there. When there is Atyanta Sanyoga with the time or with the duration, in terms of space, then it will be Dvitiya. When the action is completed, then it will be Tritiya. I'm not able to spot that in our table. Anyway, you can. I think here he himself would have given. We'll see that. Yeah. Apavarge Tritiya. Yeah, that's the one. Apavarge Tritiya. In our table, it is 40. Third case is used after the words denoting the length of time or space. Yeah, when the accomplishment of the desired object is to be expressed. Masena anuvakaha adhitaha dvadasha varshahi vyakanam shuyate. Examples in our table. So action is completed. But here the completion of action is not intended to be expressed. There is Nirantara Sanyoga. So saptaha madite. So tasya kalena nirantara sanyoga vartate therefore dvitiya. Masam amra phalani. So द्रव्यस्य कालेन निरंतर संयोग मासे प्रतिदिनम आम्रफलानि सन्ति इत्यर्थः योजनं कुटिला नदी स्टॉक एग्जांपल विसा कौटिल्य गुरस्य मार्गेण निरंतर संयोगः योजनं यावत् नदी कुटिला वर्तते योजनं पर्वतः द्रव्यस्य मार्गेण निरंतर संयोगः योजनं यावत् पर्वतः वर्तते योजनम is a measurement so that in terms of space योजनम पर्वतः now द्वितीया विभक्ति द्वितीयांतेन निरुक्तस्थानं पूरयत it's not about just द्वितीया विभक्ति we have to tell a sutram also dash अंतरेण न अन्या गतिः
कृष्णम् अन्तरेण
कृष्णम अंतरेण अन्या गतिः न this is by the sutra
2, 3, 4 Antarantara Yukte.
yes which is there in our table also
18.18.
18 yes 18th point so antarantarena yukte antarena meaning without accepting and with reference to governs no regarding second case अंतरेण युक्ते कः अन्यत् त्वामन्तरेण शक्तः प्रतिकर्तुं प्रमाणान्तरेण प्रामाणिकः न विश्वसन्ति all these are good examples
Vina also we can instead of antarena
yes vina also
okay
but vina we have dvitiya tritiya panchami
fine.
all those things are there vina there is another sutram right not
Yeah.
yeah
But antarena we can use for only dvitiya vibhakti only.
vina is another sutram पृथक विना नाना बिहि then tritiya then dvitiya also coming as anuvrati all those things griham ubayatah this is also ubaya sarvatosoho one sutram is there post number is 232
Vasarvataso.
yeah uba sarvatosoho
या
Vyadi.
कार्यादिगु पर्यादिषु त्रिषु द्वितीयां वेडितान्तेषु ततो
long one no
दृश्यते
ubata sarvatosoho karyadik paryadishu
वार्तिकम् of 232
द्वितीया आम्रेडितान्तेषु ततः अन्यत्रापि दृश्यते okay then so griham ubayatah is griham ubayatah dash आचार्यः परितः अन्तेवासिनः सन्ति
आचार्यं परितः अन्तेवासिनः सन्ति
this also by the same sutra right
That is Abhitaha Paritaha. Sutra.
where is that abhitaha
वार्तिकं तु
Paritaka Samaya Nikashaha Pratiyogepi Vartika. That one is not so.
kutra si
232 वार्तिकं तु 232 that one
vartikam to 232 yeah abhitaha paritah samaya nikashaha prati yogeshu
Point 15.
yes okay 10 dash dik prashtam dik dik is nindaya that is also I think sutram is there It's a Sutram or Vartikam. I'm just trying to map it to the Sutram. 1 minute. Dik Paryadishu, that is the same thing.
Point 14.
Yeah, point 12. Point 12 in our notes. Uba Sarvatosoho Karya Dik Paryadishu Trishu. So there we are. Okay. Next one. No. Just a minute, please. Then Dinatrayam Arabhya.
Dinatrayam only.
Yeah. Arabhya Vrishtihi Vartate. Just a minute, please. Something happened. Dinatrayam is Dinatrayam only. Dinatrayam Arabhya Vrishtihi Vartate. Then Vrikshasya Duram Yanam Vartate. Pariganita Padat. Upapada Vibhakti ki. Chhatraha Saptaha Kridati. Chhatraha Saptaham Kridati. By the sutra. Kaladvanyo Atyanta Sanyoge. Valmikasya Antikam Sarpaha Chalati. So Durad
Antikam.
Kartebhyaha.
2, 3.
Dash
34.
Pakshaha Vedam Adite.
Paksham Vedam.
Yeah. So referring to the time. Kaladvanyo Atyanta Sanyoge. Dash Shala Abhitaha Udyanam Vartate. Shala Abhitaha. Same.
Shala.
So by the sutra.
Triple.
Yeah. That's 232. 232. Abhitaha Vartika. Paritaha. Okay. Sorry, Kshamita. We'll stop here. I'm somewhat not feeling well. So very uneasy. Suddenly. I don't know why. I went to Badrinath. While going, I was sick. But still, I don't want to drop the plan because my mom wants to see Badrinath. It's her wish. So in spite of my ill health, I went and had a very good darshan and we came yesterday night. So the sickness is still there. It's very exhausted and what to say?
Can feel that, Jay.
Completely.
Fatigue.
Sorry?
Breathlessness.
Fatigue.
Yeah, breathlessness, no? Shortness.
Yeah, something. Now
Yeah,
suddenly I
yeah.
feel very weak, as though everything from my body has gone. Not even able to talk also. So what I say suddenly happens.
Take rest.
Anyway, 1 hour is okay. No, we'll stop with 1 hour. Generally my class will go for 2 hours, but I will stop. Sorry, I didn't inform. I wanted to inform, but somehow I forgot. And anyway, I thought others know, they will tell you. Yesterday we could not have class outside. Okay, I think we'll stop here. We'll continue on Monday. Huh? I think I will be all right.
No problem.
Sharanji.
From the very beginning of the class, something was uneasy.
Take care.
Yeah.
Take care, Sharanji.
Take care, Sharanji.
Sorry, I'm stopping abruptly.
You could have cancelled the
This
class.
condition you are taking care. Yesterday I was telling them.
Yeah, in the
afternoon
class, she told us.
You will take class even though you
But you text
may not be well.
the group GVA Chudamani group, you texted that you're going to Badrinath.
Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha. See, when you're healthy, we can do anything we like. When health is gone, then we realize, when we grow old, naturally, we lose all our vitalities. Breathing itself becomes difficult.
How is your mother?
She's all right. In fact, that Dolly and all, she didn't want. She just went by walk. I was only struggling because I was sick and nose blockage and some sort of the breathlessness. So I thought, I'm not able to, I'm not comfortable with breathing there.
Sir, you can't take the risk, no. Why you went?
But see, for my mom, I went. I don't want to disappoint my mother. I would have gone other time, but I don't want to change the plan and disappoint my mom. It's her wish to see Badrinath. Okay, fine.
Sir,
While going, I was ill, but still I went. But anyway, I had a very good darshan. That's important. My mom's wish is fulfilled. That's why I went.
You went in the morning, early morning?
I went in the morning, 8 o'clock. We started here and reached there by 7, around that time. When we reached, it was very cold, but bearable. In normal time, I could think it's bearable. For me, it's too much because I was already sick. Even though we went with all clothings, but I didn't wear any sweater and all. But just my t-shirt and all that white shirt. And cap, of course, cap and neck cover and socks. That's it. So, anyway, so we had a good darshan. My mom is happy.
Please take some medication.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take care, Ji.
Okay, Ji, our
Dhanyavada.
prayers will be there to get well, so to become normal.
Yes.